To manage coupons in your website, click on Coupons option. Here, click on Create Coupon button. Now, enter your coupon code. Then, select your discount type. Example, what kind of discount are you giving? Flat or percentage-wise? Then, select Apply Criteria. Here, you will select on which product you are giving discount, all products or custom products. Now set up minimum requirement. Here you can set minimum purchase amount for this coupon. Then choose Discount for option. Now set up coupon usage limit per customer and overall coupon usage limit. If you want to show your coupon at checkout, then select Yes in Show on Checkout option. Then select Start and Ending Date of Coupon. Then select Active in Status section. Now save the coupon and preview it. Coupon working successfully.